Hi, my name's Darren. Welcome to my workshop. Now, as you might be aware, it's summer at the moment here in Australia, and we've had a fairly warm one, putting it mildly. I've often thought of putting air conditioning in the workshop, but that of course chews up a fair bit of wall space. Likewise, I've thought of mounting a fan on the wall, but having a fan in one spot wouldn't cool me everywhere in the workshop, and certainly to have it up full bore would just be stirring up a lot of dust. So what I've ended up doing is buying one of these Ryobi, R18HF hybrid fans. And it's actually proven to be quite good. Being small and portable, I can move it wherever I need, and it's quite light, of course, very light. And so consequently, I can put it pretty much wherever I want, have the thing on its low speed, and just blowing a nice breeze on me, and it's proven to be really good. All right, let's have a closer look at it. And this is a hybrid, and what that means is it works on 240 volts as well as battery. So here we are, we can plug the battery in here, which as you can see then stops you from plugging the mains in. So no, you can't use it to charge a battery, it's not meant for that. But there we go, so we've got battery power available, and if we pull the battery out of the way, you can see we can plug in mains here. So let me just grab my mains extension cord, and as you can see, and voila, there's two speeds on the back, 1 and 2, strangely enough. I've found that speed 1 has been fine for me. I've had it fairly close to myself as I've been using it. Speed 2, if you had it a bit further away from you, you would probably need speed 2. I haven't needed it yet. But it's also quite loud, speed 2. It's not that loud. It's probably on par with a household fan as far as noise goes. And as far as the amount of blow as well, I would say it's on par with a desk fan that you would buy for the home. There's a good amount of pivot in the unit, as you can see. And the reason you would need that, of course, is because there are a number of different ways to mount it. We have a series of hooks. We've got these hooks here, look like they're designed to hang from a clothesline or over the edge of something, some sort of cord anyway. 4 mounting screws, like so. And then as we spin it up the other way, we have this positionable hook, which does clip out of the way, so it won't fall down and get in the way when we're using it. But if you are using it, of course, there we are. This is the one I've been using the most. It's actually quite handy and will hook at a number of places. So of course, when it's hooked up, you need a decent amount of pivot to point the thing where you need to breeze, which it has. And so having this hook on the back of the fan allows it to mount in a number of interesting places. There we go. To fit these little hooks on the side, I've made some little wall hangers so they can be easily hung on the wall. I don't know how strong these are going to be, but we'll give them a try. I tell you what, a good hammer drill and a sharp drill bit, wow, makes a huge difference. Now, let's try hanging it up. Nice, worked well. And there we go, mounted on the wall. There's a battery running it at the moment, but obviously I could run an extension cord up to that. So I'm going to make some more of those little hooks, they seem quite handy. So overall I'm impressed with the hybrid fan from Ryobi. Hybrid meaning, of course, as I said earlier, it'll work on battery or plugged into the mains. I'm pleased with the number of hanging points it's got, and it's a fairly robust case too. I didn't mention that earlier. So overall, very impressed with this little fan. It is dearer than a standard desk fan that you would buy, at your local chain store, but it's a little bit more versatile. You can run it on battery, you can run it on mains. You can hang it all over the place. So if you've been thinking about buying it, then yeah, for sure. Now, some people might be thinking, what about the misting fan? You can get another one that mists. You can, that's battery only, that doesn't plug into mains. But if you're thinking of using it in your workshop, I would strongly recommend against it. You don't want to make a workshop more humid by pumping more water into the air. That's just going to make things rust faster. So hence me buying just the dry fan. It's also a lot more compact because the misting fan has to sit on top of a big bucket. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully this video has been of some use. Have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one.